Viewers, welcome to this session. I am going to talk about figures of a speech in English. Just as jewels and cosmetics, decoration make a woman very beautiful, attractive, lovable. In the same way, figures of a speech makes language very beautiful, attractive, impressive. Now a question arises, what is a figure of a speech? Figure of a speech is the use of words or phrases in such a beautiful way that they have different meanings, different sense from the words that they express. Such an expression in English is called figures of a speech. There are many authors, critics who have said that use of figures of a speech in language makes a language very beautiful. Therefore, students must study figures of a speech. There is question on figure of a speech in different examinations. Therefore, on the demand of students and viewers, I am going to talk about some important figures of a speech. In this class, I shall discuss only 5 important figures of a speech that we come across in English language. The first most important figure of a speech is simile. Simile is a figure of a speech in which comparison is made between two dissimilar things. Example, he is as beautiful as the star. She is as beautiful as a rose. My love is like a red rose by Robert Burns. Here the words which follow like or as is similes. Similes also follow as or like. He is as strong as a lion. She is as beautiful as a red rose. The second most important figure of a speech used in literature is metaphor. Metaphor is a figure of a speech in which comparison is made between two dissimilar things directly. Example, he is a lion. Here the comparison between he and a lion is metaphorical. It is a metaphor. The second example, he is a star of his family. Here the comparison between he and a star is metaphorical. He is a star of the family is a metaphor. Similarly, life, the world is a stage. Here a stage is a metaphor because comparison is made between world and a stage. The third important figure of a speech is pun. What is pun? Pun is a figure of a speech in which there is a play upon words. Pun is a play upon words. Example, an ambassador is one who lies abroad. Here, lies has pun. There is pun upon the word lies. Here, lies has double meaning. One, it has it means to live, and other meaning to tell lies. So, this is a very beautiful example of pun. Fourth, the four important figure of a speech is alliteration. Alliteration is the repetition of the beginning sounds of neighboring words. For example, seashells, seashells. Walter wondered where Winnie was. Blue baby bonnets bobbed through the beyond. Next, Nick needed new notebooks. Here, the words Nick needed new notebooks all are alliterative. So, they are fine example of alliteration. Another good example of alliteration is fried frog's legs on Friday. Here, fried, frog and Friday are alliterative. The next important figure of a speech is anaphon. Anaphon is a technique where several phrases or verses begin with the same words. Example, I came, I saw, I conquered, from Julius Caesar by William Shakespeare. Mad world, mad kings, mad composition, King John II by William Shakespeare. It was the best of times, it was the worst of times, it was the age of wisdom, it was the age of foolishness, a tale of two cities by Charles Dickens. Thus, they are all important figures of a speech which I have discussed today. I shall discuss rest of the figures of a speech in my next class. Thanks.